Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Mac Mini M4 is updated and signed into the Apple ID that holds your preferences. Once done, enable iCloud Sync and personalization so the model can use your data securely. Next, open System Settings, go to Siri and Spotlight, and toggle Apple Intelligence on. You should grant microphone and file access where prompted. This allows the assistant to act on your local files and context. With those permissions active, you're ready to move into configuring intents and privacy. You now configure how Apple Intelligence will run on your Mac Mini M4. Start by choosing local versus cloud processing for latency and privacy trade-offs, and set a fallback if local resources are busy. Then build automations in the Shortcuts app, chain actions, add prompts, and test sample inputs. Make sure to tune memory retention and context window in the intelligence settings so responses stay relevant without leaking data. Finally, control per app access so only selected apps can query the assistant's capabilities. You finish by validating the setup with real tasks. Ask for summaries of documents, draft emails, or trigger your new shortcuts to confirm behavior. Observe performance and latency. If the Mac Mini feels constrained, make sure background apps are closed, increase swap performance, or switch to cloud processing temporarily. If outputs are inconsistent, reset Apple Intelligence and reapply permissions and preferences, then rerun your tests. One key troubleshooting tip. If permissions cause silent failures, revoke and re-grant them in system settings to force a fresh handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.